Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power a times 3 power a times a power a equal root 3 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So 2 power a times 3 power a times a power a equal root 3. So we can write this as 2 times 3 times a whole power a equal root 3. So this becomes 6a power a equal root 3. This, if I'll take square in both sides, so this becomes 6a power 2a equal root 3 square is 3. Now, if I'll do cube both sides, so it becomes 6a power 6a equal 3 power 3. Now, on comparing both sides, 6a equal 3. So a equal 3 by 6, that is a equal 1 by 2. So now let's verify. So 2a, 2 power a times 3 power a times a power a, we need to check it's equal root 3 or not. So it's 2 power 1 by 2 times 3 power 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 equal root 3 or not. So 2 power 1 by 2 we write square root 2 square root 3 times 1 by 2 square root. So this becomes root 6 times root 1 by 2, which we can write it as root 6 by 2, which is equals to root 3. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So A is equals to 1 by 2 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.